Yeah, today is Sunday, 3rd of May, about 12:30 today. Finished up my Bilt horse project yesterday and touched up all the paint, etc. Did not do that final video. I'll do that in the next few days. But why did I go to all this trouble? Bilt no longer offers the horse model. Their replacement is called the Big Red. It's 20-inch tine tiller. My horse is 21 inches. Price from Bilt is $3,899. Now the Big Red's got more modern safety features, more gears. It's got 4 forward and 2 reverse. And I think my horse has got high-low, forward, and reverse. So 2 forward, 2 reverse. But $3,899 plus tax, of course. And I've got somewhere in the range of $450 to $550 tied up in my horse project tiller. Early 70s vintage, and I guarantee you, I'm 65 years old, and that tiller will outlast me. This new stuff, I'm about 100% certain it's 100% made in China. And but the price is shocking. $3,899 for a tiller. They got Chinese knockoffs you can get for about 1/3 that price, but they're garbage. And that 50-year-old horse that I got, it ain't garbage. But I thought this was kind of interesting. These things are, the Big Reds are hard to find in stock anywhere because of the price point. They're special order. Nobody's going to floor plan these things because the buyers of a damn near $4,000 tiller are few and far between. But anyway, oh, my back is totally wrecked. I had to take 2 acetaminophen number 3s last night. Drawback is they give me insomnia, so the pain level dropped down to about a 7, but I couldn't fall asleep. And I finally got up at 3 in the morning, and the porch light, security light was on, had 2 huge raccoons finishing up the cat food. I sat in my chair and I finally fell asleep at some point. And then got a few hours sleep, not a whole lot. Wife's working today. She gets off at 6. And then I go pick her up from her job. And then we got to go to Walmart. So I'll make it. At least I was able to mow the grass at my little building yesterday because it was due. If I'd had to wait a few more days, it looked kind of scruffy. But I got it taken care of, so that's all good. But anyway, that's all for this one. Thank you.